How to use Whimsical. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Whimsical is a platform that will help you create and also save your ideas, and the most important part is to collaborate with some team members. So here, as you can see, we are on the platform or dashboard, to be precise, of our Whimsical account. We can go ahead and create some boards, some documents, and we can choose from the templates that we have. So for the boards, you're going to click on boards, and you can see here that we can create multiple items within the board and start using them. You can here create a wireframe. You can get or put some sticky notes. Here we have also the mind map. If you want to create a mind map, we are going to click on it or drag and drop it right there and start to type in your idea. For example, idea number 1. Then we are going to set up here the first line. We are going to put idea number 2. And we can also divide the line to make the other choice to, for example, idea number 3. And this is how simple it is to create a mind map. Here for the sticky notes, you can go ahead and type in or create the sticky note for the color that you want. You can get here some colors, and also the label of them is going to be mentioned. I'm going to put here a sticky note or a pink sticky note, also a blue sticky note right there. So here we have also some diagram shapes. You can add the diagrams and also fill them with a text. You can put here some links. You can freehand or drawing right there. You can go ahead and put some lines or link the here sticky notes together. And this is the things that you can see here on boards. We have also some connectors. You can create some connectors. Here we have some shapes and special shapes for them. You can add some text areas. You can add also some icons. Here we have the icons menu. And here with the section button, you can go ahead and create a section and group everything that you have created right there. I'm going to group them together like that. And if I want to move them, I can move them together and not separately. So here we have the generate with AI tool. We have the templates that will show you here the list of templates that if in case you need one, for example, for simple organization chart, here we have some simple swim lane diagram and etc. So now we have the categorization also for these specific templates. You can go ahead and browse them. And finally, we have the all tools button. You can go ahead and see here all the tools that are available with the label of each one of them. That was for the boards. Now for the docs, you're going to create a normal doc right there, but here in case you can go ahead and join a team to read this doc live. So you are not going to put this doc for you or yourself only. You can also share it with the workspace members. Now for the from the template, it is the same step that we have, or the same menu that we've had before on the boards. You can also create some folders to make some organization within the platform. On the left side area right here, you can see that we have the access to the active workspaces. We can manage them and select them from here. You can create a new project right there by clicking on it, and here we have the same project right there from boards, docs, and etc. You can see here the organization of the files that we have and also the teams that we run right there. You can go ahead and connect with the marketing team, for example, the design team, the product team, and also make some board templates or some docs for them. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.